Where's your dress from?
I don't know.
Ew, I would not. My edges are so dead. I need to put some that, and I need to put a conditioning thing before I do my hair tonight. Hey guys, I'm just now getting back from being out all day. I have rehearsal today, and then excuse me, I went Christmas shopping a little bit, and I'm about to do my hair. Y'all wouldn't be able to guess. Sorry, I'm taking my socks off. Guess what hair color I'm doing. And you should comment and think and see which one I do. And look how dead my edges are. They're so damaged from straightening it all last month. But I'm about to eat and do my hair, and then hopefully I could get some work done too. But yeah. Oh, crumb tree, oh, crumb tree. Oh, weekend. Oh, did you guys say hi to Vlogmas last time?
I did.
Jojo, say hi. Okay. Say hi, Jaleese. Get from over here.
Oh, that door, I don't know.
You're gonna be burnt. It's not limbo.
What are you doing?
Stop touching stuff.
That was the food.
Bye. Missing Jade.
Put one big silver one here.
Y'all look at her trying to help.
Play down. Put two red ones that match. And then down with the kid.
Like every other window.
But you only got four.
Oh, no camera?
Oh, then put the red one in the middle. Farmer!
Come on.
Say farmer. Say farmer. Farmer. Anila.
Oh, he's right there.
Judy was calling you.
She was calling you.
She really did.
The farmer? No.
They put a red one in.
Say hi to Vlogmas.
I don't like y'all face, but I love y'all face.
Okay. Say hi to Vlogmas. This is what's going on in here, and this is what we have over there. They're about to redo the bows. I won't be here next week. If we finish it Saturday, I'll be here. But let me show y'all inside the back where the ball is gonna be. It is just funny.
So now, hey, how you doing?
I didn't even know DJ like. That's the truth. Oh, you found those? Jojo, come back. Jojo, come back. Jojo, come back. Look, she's sharing.
She's trying to get out the door.
Nine, hit him. Look, Jojo. You curls?
Yes.
It's probably the end of Vlogmas weekend. I didn't even do Thanksgiving yet, but I'll do it.
It's not the end of Vlogmas weekend.
Well, I mean, like after today.
So,
And then I'm gonna do next weekend, but
you ain't.
Hopefully. Look at JoJo's eyes. Oh, JoJo, look.
In the sun, yeah.
Yeah, the way it was reflecting.
You gotta go this way.
He don't like me. You do like me? Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Can I get a pound? Pound it. Dame cinco.
Put a tablecloth on that.
Kansas lost. It was a good loss, though. A better loss.
Somebody leg was 17.
Oh, that's what I said. What?
Because he has the read. He's got one-on-one coverage out.
We're just now leaving. Look how dark it is. Ew. Cigarettes is crazy. That's what I said. Where is Autumn? Nuh-uh, that's crazy. Oh, she's down there with that. You see it. No, that's crazy.
Hi, YouTube. Huh?
Guys, y'all hear Jade crying, but I just got here. So much has happened. And then, I don't know what's going on, but I'm just, let me show you what it look like. I think we're singing. Before I get copyrighted, they sound amazing. She's fine. She's having a tantrum. She don't want to get put down. Salvation and glory, honor and power. He is wonderful. Hallelujah. Salvation and glory, honor and power. He is wonderful. Dance it out, Jade. Somebody real off. Jade, where's your dress from? Where's your dress from?
I don't know.
That's real. She don't know.
It's almost Christmas time, and you can tell. Look at that!